Welcome to my blog, babiesclothes.com. There are a lot of baby clothes to choose from, so you want to make sure that you make the right choice. We've got articles here that will help you find out all about buying the perfect baby clothes for your child. Bookmark this site and come back to see our daily hot picks here. Choosing the right clothes for your baby will make all the difference to your child's comfort. Choosing the right type will ensure you have attractive and functional clothing that's easy to wash and holds its shape. Baby clothes vary greatly in price and type, and while you're shopping for it, it's very tempting to buy items that just look nice. But remember, it's important to buy them with sufficient room for your child to grow. You'll want them to last for a while. Buying baby clothes online is really easy, and eBay is a fantastic place to shop for them. Babyclothes.com is one of the best places to search eBay for the best range and the lowest prices in baby clothes. One of the other features of this site is that you can use this search box here and dig into eBay to get highly effective search results. So why not do that right now? We've got lots of well-researched recommendations here already. Have a closer look and have a great day.